My name is Michael Knight. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is dedicated to the study of electrical theory primarily. It's designed for people who are just learning about electricity or want to learn about electricity, how it works, so that they can either become an electrician or become a better electrician. We'll study all the concepts, the prefixes, the math, Ohm's law, and we'll just do video by video until we get done. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to be referring and using the Texas Instruments TI-30X2S calculator. The main functions you need are the reciprocal key, square root, square, sine, cosine, tangent. That's going to be some of the main ones we need later on. Right now, the reciprocal key is the main one, and on this calculator, it's x minus 1, but it's like 1 over whatever. We'll have to use that to calculate resistance and reactance in parallel, and well, capacitance, reactance in series later on. But right now we don't have to have all that. I certainly recommend that you get a pencil and a piece of paper and a calculator, and I'll try to give you time to kind of punch these in, because you can watch me work these problems all day long and it won't do anything for you. The only way to really learn it and get good at it is to do it yourself. Just follow along, punch it in the calculator. If you have to pause it, I'll try to give you a little bit of time, but if you have to pause it until you get worked out, and then see if you got the right answer. And that's the way you're going to really learn how to do it. On this channel, we're going to be referring to Delmar's Standard Textbook of Electricity. I have a couple of different editions, so if you can pick up one, if you want to understand electricity. This channel is not to replace a book. I will help you to understand some of the things that are in the book in a simple, easy to understand method for remembering things and learning how electricity works.